So let's move to the EFT. Now, whatever the stuck energy is in our body, mind, or system that is there, we will release with the EFT and feel the free flow, abundance, and life. So let's begin with the karate chop point. Even though I have been feeling stuck in my life, still I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though I am not really stuck, but this feeling, this emotion is created by me and tightly holded by me. Still I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. All this feeling of stuckness, the stuck energy in my body, in my nervous system, I release, release, release. All the stuck emotion, stuck energy in my mind, in my nervous system, in my DNA, I release, release, release. All the thoughts within me, knowingly or unknowingly, that are running in my mind, that are creating more of this stuck energy in my system. I release, release, release. All the beliefs within me, all the way through my past, present, and the future that make me realize and feel that I am stuck for long, long time. I release, release, release. All the actions that I have taken in the past or I take in the present, which cause this feeling of stuckness within me. I release, release, release. All the situations in my life, in the past and present, where I felt stuck and I am feeling stuck. I release, release, release. All of my experiences I am carrying from the past or the present, which are creating the stuck energy, the stuck emotion. I release, release, release. All the experiences, knowingly, unknowingly, that are holding in my subconscious mind and sending these vibrations of stuckness. I release, release, release. All this pattern of stuckness I have been living since long, long time. I release, release, release. I know I am not stuck. If I would have been stuck, then how my life is running every day. Everything in my body is working effortlessly. My heart is pumping blood every day effortlessly. And because of that only I am alive. If it, it will stop for 1 second, will be stuck for 1 second, would I be alive? Can I ask myself, am I stuck? My breathing, oxygen supply, flowing effortlessly. It is freely flowing within me and from the environment around me. Also free flowing. I am receiving electricity, water, so many things I need for my daily life sustaining. I'm receiving effortlessly. My eyes blink non-stop. Blood flows in my body non-stop. I move every day. I sleep. I wake up. Am I doing efforts for all this? Cycle of life is going on effortlessly. Weathers are changing effortlessly. All the system, everything in the universe, which I cannot control, and everything in my body happening automatically. Still, I keep on creating this drama, cribbing, and playing a victim role. Oh my God, I am stuck. I am not growing. Nothing is moving in my life. When will it happen? How will it happen? Even can I stop my brain from thinking for 1 minute? Even if I stop, it keep on creating thoughts unnecessarily. Too much I overthink, wanted and unwanted. I create 70,000 thoughts or even more than that every day. Aren't they effortless? So these are the proofs that are enough to tell me that I am not stuck in life. Everything is happening for me effortlessly. But I focus on only the things where my efforts are taking time or I am not getting success. But that is also the reason because of these negative emotions, stuck energy, my focus. Because where the focus goes, energy flows, and that grows in life. So, this is my pattern, my fault. Now, I choose to release all this stuck energy from my system, body. I choose to feel, experience this free flow of life, free flow of abundance within me each and every moment, for which I have more than enough proofs. Now I allow all the abundance, everything to flow freely through my body in each and every cell and my DNA and my nervous system. I allow to flow freely and growth in my health, in my body, mind, positively. I choose to focus on the effortless free flow in my life so that that will grow. I choose to feel and experience free flow, growth every moment in my day-to-day life. I choose to allow the free flow and growth and abundance from the universe. I choose to flow freely like a river without any resistance, without any hindrance. I choose to not to interrupt in the alignment of the universe. Like river flows freely, sun comes effortlessly, day and night happens effortlessly. Everything is the nature is happening effortlessly. Rain comes effortlessly. I can't control. So I choose to release my manifestations, everything what I want, and that is coming to me. Surrender to the universe and let it come effortlessly. to me, and I am ready to receive that. And my body, mind, and spirit come to the Tarate Chalk point, even though I have enough proofs. If I will start writing or looking the evidences, I will not be able to count, right, or find out the amount of free flow and growth I am experiencing every day. All my cells are replacing every day. New cells are building, old are dying. Isn't that happening effortlessly? I cannot count, but still I flow into emotions sometimes because I am a human. And still I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. And I choose to release all the stuck energy consciously, unconsciously from my body, mind, my life. Now I choose to interrupt my pattern and emotion always to focus on the free flow in life, in me. Take a deep breath and release any of the sensation, any of the blockages, anywhere in any part of the body, moving down from your crown chakra, slowly traveling down, down, down from chakra, feet, entering the Mother Earth, releasing completely, and feel all the free flow, everything that is happening in our body effortlessly, and see the golden light from the universe. With that, everything is also coming to us effortlessly. See all the manifestations, all the desires coming true, feeling so happy. Such an beautiful free flow, connection to the universe, flowing without a resistance. Visualize your job, your promotion, or the business, anything you want, you are manifesting, that has already come to you effortlessly. And you are smiling at it, saying thank you, feeling happy, all the emotions. And beautiful relations, feel the effortless flow of love, respect, all the beauty in the relationships, career, growth, success, flowing effortlessly in all areas, and lots of money, abundance. See how it is coming effortlessly from all the directions, and feel and see your life completely fulfilled with the effortless flow. All the manifestations has already come true magically, miraculously, because we are focusing on the free flow of the abundance and surrendering to the universe, aligning with the energy, with the highest power and power within us. Stay in this beautiful feeling for a few seconds. Feel the vibrations in your body. Feel the reality feel it is already there. You are living your life, the life you always want and desiring. How are you feeling at the moment? How are you interacting? What are you doing? Where you are going? And with this, take a long deep breath and rub your hands and put all the energy on your face, all the chakras. And slowly open your eyes and tell me how are you feeling? What is the intensity? Okay, few people. Nice. It's okay. Okay, so you can tell me in the chat window how are you feeling, relaxed, and how much you are in the alignment with the universe, with the free flow, and what you believe right now. Are you really stuck even now? You are feeling? Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.